Assalamu alaikum, it's Amin Nurul. Now I am going to talk about our final year project, which is a study on rainfall prediction of Malaysia using classification algorithm. Our project ID is 628R. Our supervisor is Dr. Sharia Roni and my group mate is Saad Mhammed. So let's have a look at the overview of our project. A distinctive and efficient machine learning algorithm for predicting precipitation is sought in this study. Rainfall plays an important role in nature and social life, but existence of good precipitation prediction model are still rare due to various issues. In order to assess the model's efficiency and durability, we experimented with different rainfall characteristics from Malaysia based on an open source dataset collected from power.larc.gov. We took dataset of Kuala Lumpur for central region, Georgetown, Penang for northern region, and Johor for southern region. We did our modeling using KNN, linear discriminant analysis, SVM, logistic regression, and ANN. So what is our problem statement actually? So let's talk about it. Precise and accurate rainfall forecast still continue to be insufficient, which might be beneficial for several industries such as agriculture, flood prediction, and water reservations. Accurate precipitation prediction requires previous findings and similarities which resulted in reliable and efficient prediction system. Incorrect precipitation forecast waste human time and resources, leading to insufficient crisis controls. For example, for agriculture, insufficient water reserves, and flood control. The prediction of rainfall would also help to plan policies and strategies for dealing with the growing global ozone problem. Therefore, a more accurate and precise rainfall prediction system must be developed in order to avoid unexpected outcomes. So, what is the objective of our project? So we have few objectives. Let's talk about it. First of all, to understand past work related to rainfall prediction and weather forecasting. Then to explore the dataset and find significant variables for training and testing the model. Then to identify the factors related to precipitation rate, and then to assess the accuracy of the model based on results of the performance evaluation, to understand the rainfall pattern in Kuala Lumpur and Malaysia, to find out the best suitable algorithm for rainfall prediction. So what is the research significance actually? The prediction of rainfall would help to plan policies and strategies for dealing with the growing global warming problem as well as flood management across that areas. Rainfall plays very significant roles in agriculture, water reserve management, flood prediction and management. Research on the accuracy and precision of the models of machine training has to be continued. So what are the tools we used for this project? We mainly utilized Jupyter Notebook for modeling and analysis process. Other than that, we used Orange for our data visualization. So let's talk about data collection. We collected the dataset from power.larc.gov website. They usually provide satellite and GPS data which is available for everyone. We collected daily weather data based on certain parameters which are air, day, wind speed, temperature, precipitation or vector, surface pressure and relative humidity. We collected KL, Georgetown and Johor's daily data from 1985 to 2021 for our prediction model. So my partner Abu Said Muhammad Saad will continue from the methodology.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad Abu Said Muhammad and my metric number is 1634677. Here I am going to talk about the methodology of our project. So for the data collection, we got the data from power.larc.gov and then we did the exploratory data analysis. We did the data exploration and also data visualization. After that, we did data pre-processing. For the data pre-processing, we tried to find out the missing values, the duplicate values, the outliners, and we also did feature selection. The fact here is our data was actually quite clean, so we didn't have to eliminate the missing values, the duplicate values, and the outliners. For the modeling part, we used KNN LDA, SVM, logistic regression and ANN algorithms, and then we did the evaluation by getting the accuracy and also getting the scores of precision, recall and F1 score. After that we did the comparison of the models, and then we had a little bit discussion on which model worked better.
Before modeling, we try to find the correlation with rainfall or precipitation with other variables. So we use Pearson correlation coefficient for this. Pearson correlation is a measure of linear correlation between two sets of data. So our one set is precipitation or vector, and another variable are year, month, relative humidity, surface pressure, then temperature and wind speed. So from this table we can see there is not any significant correlation between precipitation and other variables actually.
So for the result analysis, we can see that for our three datasets, one from Johor Bahru, one from Georgetown and one from Kuala Lumpur, we have used the algorithms KNN, LDA, SVM, logistic regression and ANN. For the Johor Bahru dataset, we got the highest accuracy from SVM, followed by KNN and logistic regression. ANN and LDA also had accuracy more than 97%, so which is very good. And for the precision, recall and F1 score, we can see that ANN showed the highest result. For Georgetown dataset, we also got the highest accuracy from SVM, and other algorithms also showed pretty good result. All the algorithms showed more than 97% accuracy. And as for the precision, recall and F1 score, again ANN scored the highest. For the Kuala Lumpur dataset, SVM had the highest accuracy, but ANN had the highest precision, recall and F1 score. By analyzing the results, we can say that for the accuracy, SVM showed the highest accuracy, whereas ANN also worked pretty well for our datasets. And for the future work, we will be experimenting with the other existing algorithms using these datasets, and we will compare the results with the current one. We are also planning to study flood prediction, which can provide some additional advantages for the society. We also have planned to build an interface to represent our findings from the research. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.